Do you know about birds? Let's start our topic birds. We will now learn about various type of birds, their feathers, their beaks, their feet and claws, nesting habits of birds, different nests made by birds. First we will discuss about birds. Birds are beautiful creatures. They have a streamlined body, colorful feathers, long tails, and sometimes also wear a crown. They are unique in their look and food habits. They can fly with help of their wings. The wings have feathers attached to them. They can fly because of their streamlined body and light weights. Their skeleton is made of bones which are hollow and light. They also need shelter from bad weather, protect their young ones from their enemies. Different type of birds with their feet and claws. Different birds have different type of feet and claws. Birds have 2 legs and 2 feet. Their claws can be seen at the tips of toes of birds. They use their feet to move, catch food, and to protect themselves from their enemies. The claws of their birds tells us about their living habits. Okay, the claws of the birds tells us about their living habits. The different type of birds are perching birds, scratching birds, swimming birds, wading birds, place-sitting birds, climbing birds, etc. Let's we discuss one by one. Perching birds. They have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Front toes are like fingers and back toes are like thumbs. Their toes help to hold onto the branch, even they can sleep while perching. Example, sparrow and pigeon. Scratching bird. These birds have 3 toes in front and 1 short toe at the back. It also has a small 5th toe a little higher off at the back of the leg. Each toe has a honey claw. These toes help them to scratch the earth and catch insect and buried seeds. Example, like hen. Swimming birds. They have webbed feet. The 3 toes in front are joined by skin webs which help them to push back the water while swimming. There is 1 toe at the back. Example, duck and swan. Wading birds. They have long legs with spread out toes that help them wheel through muddy water. Their toes keep them from sinking into the mud. Example, heron, crane. Okay. Place-sitting birds. They have sharp and curved claws called talons, which are used to grip small animals like rat, toads, etc. Example, eagle, owl. Okay. Climbing birds. They have 2 toes which point towards and 2 toes which point downwards. These help them to climb and cling to trees. Example, woodpecker and parakeet. Now we discuss about type of feathers. A bird has feathers all over its body. These feathers are different in shape, size, color and design. These feathers are mainly three types. How many types? Three types, such as down feathers, flight feathers and body feathers. What is down feathers? These are floppy feathers that cover the bird's body and keep it warm. Flight feathers. These are long and sturdy feathers attached to the wings and tailbone which help the bird to fly. Body feathers. These give shape and color to the bird. Now about their beaks and with their kinds. Okay. Different birds have different type of beaks. One, strong, sharp and curved beak. It's help them to tear flesh. Example, kite, eagle, vulture, owl, etc. Number 2, short, hard and horny beaks. Grain-eating birds like pigeon, peacock and sparrow have such beaks. They help them to pick off and crush seed and grains. Number 3, curved and hooked beak. Parrot have curved and hooked beak. They crack seeds with them. Number 4, long and slender beaks. Hawks and songbird have long thin beaks. Their beaks help them to pull out insects from hole in the ground. Number 5, strong and chisel shaped beak. A woodpecker has a chisel shaped beak. It makes a hole in the bark to pull out the insect to eat with the help of its beak. Number 6, broad and short beaks. Swallows have short and broad beak which are sticky from inside. When swallows fly, they keep their beak open to catch the flying insects. Number 7, broad and flat beaks. The broad and flat beak of the duck hosting hole on the sides. The duck takes in muddy water with insects, worms and water plants. The mud and water flow out through the tiny holes, leaving the plants and insects inside. Now we will discuss birds and their nests. Some of examples. Tailor bird nest. A tailor bird used its beak like a needle and sews leaf together using thread and wool. This reason why it is called tailor bird. Weaver bird's nest. These small birds make a beautiful nest with grass and leaves with the help of their beaks. The strong nest hangs down from the branches of a tree. There is a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest through which the birds enter the nest. Woodpecker's nest. A woodpecker peeks into the tree trunk with its sharp beak to make a hole. The hole is then lined with soft chips of wood to make the nest cozy and comfortable. Partridge nests. It digs a hole in the ground among the plants and lines it with grass, dry leaves, etc. Kingfisher's nest. A kingfisher simply burrows a hole on the banks of a river. It uses this as its nest. Penguin's nest. Penguins live in cold place with freezing temperature since it is difficult to find wings and live here. So penguin simply put together a few pebbles to building their nest. Okay, our chapter is over. Thank you.